Y'all want to hear something? The West was won with bravery and the cavalry shank. We're shepherds of this land, not cold Jesse James at the bank. Live a beautiful life until you're old. The real cowboys know all that glitters is not gold.
Oh.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Let's make it count here. 20 rides.
Are y'all seeing this?
Dylan White. I'm gonna try to do a little video series for y'all here at the Fletcher shop. So we'll do it in several parts, probably 3 or 4 parts. Build a whole pair of Spurs. I had a guy tell me I could do whatever, so we're gonna get some steel hot and see what we come up with. Hired Diamond D, be my shadow for a few days while I do it, and man, I just really want to preserve this art. You know, with Clapper passing and Case being gone and Tollison, I mean, John Israel, I mean, lots of greats that handmade this gear. They're not around anymore. And man, and everyone just, I'm not against getting water jet parts out or however you want to do it, but not many people build their bits and spurs all by hand anymore. And I just want to continue that tradition. So let's pick some steel out, what we're going to build these spurs out of. This is what we're going to start with right here. These 2 pieces here. I'm going to chuck them up in this saw I built, this splitting saw I built. Kind of a death machine, but I think we'll live with that. Because it's obnoxiously loud. Sorry, Dean. Wood. I love that. I love the sound of these. Nothing better than a good sound inside of Spurs, that's for sure. Check this out. I mean, you can cut them with a torch and it works pretty good, but man. You gotta kind of get that cut dirty with something, because if you don't, it'll just forge weld back together, and it's a nightmare getting it split again. them forged. Let's see. They're pretty close. Remember, we split them first, and I smashed it, got this shaped right, got our shank started and roughed in. Now we're gonna make a real square edge here. We're gonna grinder square, grinder flat, and then we'll lay out a real pretty pattern, get this trued up, and then we're gonna make our slots. We'll machine our slots for our hangers. We got these cleaned up, and they're pretty damn true with each other. We're gonna put this jig on my lathe over here. And all right, man, let's chuck this up. This is the 5/8 mill I've had. I got our jig set how I want it. And this is what I'm talking about. You're not really supposed to put these in a chuck like this, but man, it works good. Alright. Hey, it ain't done with the work, sorry. Got it machined in. Let's put some layout dye on here. I mean, I like blue. I mean, if you use red, I'm not judging you, but somebody is.
Built some tape from band pattern. I went to one of the schools when I was a kid. Inspired me. But now you put an armor out about this. I didn't know how this all ties together. So that's what I use.
Let's go. All right, we got a center drill chucked up in here because this drill sucks. I need a mill. B. We were thinking about making videos and we goofed, dude. I don't know why. I drilled the wrong hole. Like I was gonna drill it here and then put my bar across and then give me a pretty weld and blend it, you know. And that's just a nice look, but we can either fill these in and drill the right hole, or we can just knock another hole in it and just go standard hanger style. And it'll be just clean as a whistle anyway. I think that's probably what we'll do. Still changing plans, that's normal. That's normal. Oh, you can hardly see that one. I think it's right there though. Sweet. And, hey, these are looking like Spurs now. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna grind off some of this, just this extra material. See how thick they are? They don't gotta be anywhere near that thick. So we'll go and we'll take off everything extra, get into the desired thickness I want.
Get that critter hot, dude.
Feels good in here. Yeah, see? Hey, I'm trying to open it up, and she's forged welded right here. I hope it's not too bad the whole way.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how we're ever gonna get that sucker out, but oh yeah. Man, surely we can carve that out somehow. Ha! Man, I screwed that up. That is not good. Maybe we just keep working it, maybe it... Ooh, that's something just sticky there too, big time. Maybe we can just take this hot cut.
There it goes.
Woo! Oh, don't hit me. Well, this couldn't go any worse than that one. Or maybe it could. That's what it's supposed to be. That one split pretty good. God, let's put these ugly things in here. Yeah, that's bad. That's bad. Maybe irredeemable. Yeah, no, here we go.
There it is.
It's even twisted up there. Chisel. I unsquared this right here. Let's see if we can just get her in the vise right. Give her a little bit of the onion. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Smashed them. got them formed. We're about to forge the shanks in. What I like to do before I forge shanks in is I take this bottom line that's rough from forging and I put a good flat face on it. Put a good flat face. That way, whenever you forge your shanks in, where your pin goes absolutely is the most important part. So when they sit flat like this, where that rail pin is drilled through, better be the same height on each send. Height from the shelf of the boot, same height and the same length. So that's what we're gonna shoot for. Hard to do. All right, we got them square, I think. We're gonna kind of look at them right here. I like to put them like this and just check my edges, make sure I'm the same height, because sometimes you can smash them and they get off and you gotta fix them. Anyway, just watch out, take them, do them like this, roll them around, make sure you're the same. Our shank's not the same height, but we're about to fix that. Hey, we're about to put the smash on this and have to hit it, and we just gotta not touch that. It doesn't go good all the time. Oh, be careful! Woo! I love that. Oh, that's freaking wrecking my nerves though. We're still straight. Oh, I need my rounding hammer. All right, let's go back in the fire. Hope that measurement is good. Down a little bit more, I think. We are really close. That's what we got today. I think I'm gonna call it. Got them all forged in. Tomorrow we'll clean them up. Hey, that's for another video. I appreciate everyone for coming along today to Fletcher. Hope to have you at the next video. Please like, subscribe if you'd like to see some more about to do some great art, and I'd love for y'all to come along. Thanks again.